Oh yeah, this is Damien L, and I'm here with another Bobby Hemmitt clip to react to. I didn't play it yet, but it's something to that we're gonna get into, and yeah, I'm seeing the letter say "don't like you" or "they don't like you" or whatever it is. Yeah, so we're gonna get into this Bobby Hemmitt clip, see what he's saying, then I'm gonna give my commentary.
You don't like somebody, and if you got an inkling that a motherfucker don't like you, don't eat lunch with them, don't eat dinner with them. Bottom line, if you eating your food and a nigga get nasty and start cursing and going all crazy, leave it right there. You see what I'm saying? We talking about atmosphere, and so we don't want to hear nothing about okay, sister, I don't get along with you, but we gonna break bread together. No, you get ready to get fucked up. Don't eat nothing around a person that don't like you. My mom, this was in the 60s. My mother went to a hairdresser, got her hair done, came home. My father said, tell me you didn't go to that bitch's damn parlor. Said she jealous of you because she want me. And a month later, her hair started falling out.
Wow.
Now, it didn't fall out for long because it wasn't a magical thing, but nevertheless, it did have a reaction because she had somebody doing her hair that didn't like her. See what I'm saying? So you don't supposed to eat nothing around nobody that you don't like. You don't like somebody, and if you got an inkling that a motherfucker don't like you, don't eat lunch with them, don't eat dinner with them.
Wow, man, yeah, that was a crazy story, cause yeah, man, it's like a lot of people will have the inkling, or you could say like the idea, or they could feel that somebody doesn't like them, and they continue to hang around them, and it doesn't usually end good, and basically that energy is gonna transfer over and take, that's what negativity is. That's what those negative spirits do, and basically by him talking about the hairdresser and stuff like that, and even though maybe this hairdresser might not be dabbling in witchcraft and stuff like that, but the energy, her feeling, her mind, pretty much transfer over to the lady. And yeah, man, that was a crazy thing. That the husband said that that the hairdresser actually wanted him. I'm sorry. Yeah, so it makes a lot of sense, and yeah, energy is energy. Energy is everything, It's all around us, It's pretty much like water. And water, we can't see water, but we can't see the water that we're breathing in as air, as we call it air. But it's crazy how things are separated and segregated in the world of energy, and they have to be given names, so that's why we got the elements and everything. But yeah, that's a quick clip from Bobby Hemmitt. And yeah, definitely, it definitely matters who you around, and you could tell when somebody doesn't like you. You could feel it. And sometimes it's indirect, or it's crazy. But it's Damien L. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And this is another Bobby Hemmitt wisdom dish, and we're here to eat. It's all knowledge. So till next time, see y'all later. Got it.